past continuous tense. I've got 3 uses for past continuous tense. 3 uses for past continuous tense today, and I'm going to tell you all of them. My name is TJ, and here from Wapras. Thank you so much for tuning in to us. See you soon. Past continuous tense, it has got the verb ing, which means an action is in motion, that is in the past. So when can we use it? We can use it to talk about a specific time in the past when an action was in motion. For example, last night at 7 p.m. I was watching soccer. She was at the party last night at 2 a.m. You see, we are talking about a specific time in which a person was doing something. Specific time in the past. We can also use it for interrupted actions in the past. For example, I was training when she called me. They were eating when he arrived. Yes, so there was an action that was happening, and then something or another action came in and interrupted. Lastly, we can use it for parallel actions. I was studying while she was cooking. So, at the same time I was studying, she was also cooking. These are parallel actions. She was reading while he was watching TV. These 2 people were doing 2 different actions at the same time and in the past. So, to give you a summary of the past continuous tense, we can use it for a specific time of an action in the past that was in motion. We can use it for interrupted action in the past, or we can use it for parallel actions in the past. Thank you very much for watching this video. That is all that we have for you today. And please don't forget to put your comments down below. Click the notification bell so that anything new that we are going to put on, you're going to see it as soon as we put it. Thank you so much. My name is TJ. Bye bye. See you next time.